You'll frequently need to open up images into Adobe Photoshop. While you could do this by choosing File Open, there is a better way, and that is browsing in Bridge. Now, Bridge is a separate companion application, and it allows you to quickly navigate through multiple images, as well as see lots of their details and a handy preview. This is useful, but you may not want to have to leave Photoshop. In this case, once Bridge is running, you can open up the Mini Bridge tab, which will allow you to browse your content and you can see the files that you have. For example, if I double-click to the desktop there, I could scroll down and find the folder I want to work with. And with each click, it will continue to drill in to a nested subfolder and show me several images. I can now navigate through in a film strip view, as well as change how we're viewing. Notice we could take advantage and sort and see different information, such as any ratings or the file size, and it will adjust what information is shown. Let's go back to the file name in this case. I also can go ahead and sort by file name or maybe date modified to make it easier to find my recent images. All of these options are very easy to choose between, and you see they're available from quick pop-ups. If you make this larger, the thumbnails themselves will automatically adjust in size. Clicking here allows you to go ahead and filter the images. So if you've assigned a star rating, you can go ahead and show the starred images. Typically, you'll rate images inside Adobe Bridge. The search field makes it a lot easier to find something in particular. For example, I can narrow down to just the two butterfly images, or search for any other butterfly images that might not have been displayed in the initial view. You'll also find the ability to take advantage of some other options here by simply selecting the images. If you want to jump over to all of Bridge, clicking Reveal in Bridge will take you right there. When you decide that you want to open an image, a quick double click will open any selected images into Bridge. And to hide Mini Bridge, you could just double click its bar and it will drop down to the bottom. That's Mini Bridge, a nice easy way to access files instead of using the standard file navigation services.